What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe, Postcard Diva. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos for everybody else. Welcome back. All right, guys, if you haven't checked out this opportunity on how to earn daily pay income, the link is in the description. Go check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, so what are we talking about? Let me show you. All right, so my thumbnail says what? Here's a strategy you can implement today, right? So I want to show you a strategy that you can implement today with this particular program. All right, I've been talking about it, been in it since 2021. And we want to show more people how simple it is to follow these simple steps. Okay, of course, it takes commitment, it takes consistency, and you have to be dedicated to the process. But it works. We've been talking about this over and over and showing you results of other people in the community. I've been showing you results that it works, right? But I want to show you today a strategy that you can do today, right? Not where you got to wait on something, you got to send a link to a vendor and you're waiting on them to get back to you. What can you do right now today? All right, check it out. Okay, your digital product that you purchase, right? I have the premium product package, right? So I'm all in. Now, in your membership area, there is a section that says how to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free. That's something you can implement today, and it wouldn't cost you a dime. If you have access to Wi-Fi connection, any smart device, right, and you can actually copy and paste with your mouse or your finger with your device, you can implement this today, okay? Because the ads are free. And then you may say, well, what am I going to post? Well, that's included in your membership. See right here, it says 200 pre-written ads and image ads. All right. I'm not going to move this because at the bottom of this page, it has the websites that you can go to make the posts. But I am going to come out of this, come back in and show you some ad copy that you're given. It's a part of your digital products. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, I've come out of it, and so I want you to see right here. This is what it would look like when you come into your back office, your membership area. Right here, see it says how to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free. Go there. That's something you can implement today, guys. Once you purchase your, well, of course you're gonna this is for folks that's already up and running. You actually have your website, everything's ready to go. Boom, what can you do to start promoting the business, right? All right, so right here, see it says 200 pre-written ads and images. Now, mind you, in this tab right here that says how to post unlimited ads, there is an actual ad right there as well. I'm not going to click it because it will open it up. But up here where it says 200 pre-written ads and 60 image ads, there's tons of that in here, just in general. You see this? On and on and on and on and on. What do I need to post? I don't know. Look at all the pictures and images you get, guys. So there's no question about I'm not sure what I need to post. Ad copy is everywhere. Okay? So you don't have to guess what you need to post. All right? See, it says right here, 200 high converting ads. How to create thousands of pieces of content if you want to create content. Right here. How to create thousands of content with AI. Okay? But it's already here. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Use what's already been proven. That's working. All right? So that's what I wanted to show you. It's just that simple. Come down here. Go to this tab. I'm not going to click it. Okay, go in there, get the ad copy, and you go to those sites and you post. Right, you can spend 30 minutes posting. Okay, you could do that today. Okay, very, very simple. You just come in here. I'm not going to go there, but I'm just showing you how to just go here, take your mouse, copy, paste on those websites. It is that simple. But again, it's consistency. That's the thing that I think people are overthinking, because it is simple, right? Because it's simple, they just can't fathom that in their mind that that's it. Yeah, but it's not just one time. See, that's the thing. Folks think they can do something one time and that's it. Hey, I tried it once. Nothing's going to happen once you try it just one time, right? That's not the norm. Okay. All right. So with this is digital marketing. It takes consistency, because affiliate marketing is being active. Passive is doing something once and you can earn over and over and over with that, right? But affiliate, you have to promote the product. But what's so great about what we do, and as a digital marketer, and I've learned over the years, is we have systems in place. Okay, systems in place. So once you set your system up, which we give you step by step how to do that, right? Let's go over here. All right, so see, even here in the members area, it says your intro. So you pay for your website, you ready to go. You got your website, right? Now, see, create your automated sales funnel. See, once we get the system in place, that's your capture page where people are going to put in their email. Once they put in their email, the system is going to drip on them and send them emails, right, reminding them about the program. That's what's called automation. All right, so you set that up. See, it even says it says it right here. Create your automated sales funnel. We give you a free system. We show you how to set it up step by step. We have the videos to show you how to do that. So when you set up that system, folks are going to go there. You're going to post those ads. You're going to drive them. You're sending people. When I say drive, meaning you're giving them the link to take them to your sales funnel, which is your capture page. When they go there, they put in their email. They're going to see the video that does all the selling, telling, sifting, sorting. Okay, that way we don't have to explain it. You know, that's what I love about digital marketing. Yes, I used to be, I think most of us have come from that network marketing, MLM business model. Okay, and I learned a lot with that business model, right? But what I discovered with digital marketing, we use systems. Okay, we have systems and tools in place that will do all the selling and telling. I don't have to do a three-way call. I don't have to have a launch party and have people over and have somebody explain what is this all about. I don't have to have a hotel meeting, any of that stuff, right? I can simply send people, I guide them to the information they requested. You have to remember, well, once you learn the skill, that's what this is. It's a skill. It's going to teach you a skill of driving people to the information they asked for, right? So people are asking, hey, I want more information on how to make money online, right? So they put in their email. When they put in their email into that funnel, we have it already set up, which we're going to show you how to do, a free system that's you're going to set up the free system that we give you. They put in their email, they're going to get these email drips every other day, every couple days, etc., right? Reminding them and sending them back to the sales video that they saw the first time. That video is doing the selling and telling, sifting and sorting, right? It's explaining the opportunity. And most of the time, it's answering their questions too. They may have one or two, but most of the time, not a lot. I don't get a lot of that. But the main thing is it explains, well, what is this? Okay, so when people do ask questions, it's other things like, okay, well, how do I set up my payment and all that type of stuff. The video's not explaining that. It's it's basically telling them about the opportunity, right? So all that other stuff they're asking is more administrative, okay, that I get if people call. All right, here lately, people have just been signing up. They may text me and say, hey, I'm going to sign up tonight, or hey, I'm going to sign up in January, that type of thing. All right, but at any rate, systems and tools, that's the difference in what we do in digital marketing versus what we were taught in MLM. I've been there. I know how it works. This, first of all, I'm getting 100% commissions with digital marketing, but we use systems, so we don't have to spend time explaining an opportunity. Not at all. We don't get on calls and explain it 30 minutes of our day, talking to 20, 30 people, explaining it. Use systems and tools. Automation, right? So they're getting the emails dripping on them. They're seeing it over and over and over, and it takes people about 7 times a lot of times. That's the average, to see something over and over and over before they decide to pull the trigger. Okay? But it's all good because it's a numbers game. My job and your job is just to get people, drive them to the information that they ask for, a capture page. And then you set up the system to explain everything. Okay? So anyway, you're going to post those ads. You're going to drive people to this automated system and let it sift and sort. Okay? And you just rinse and repeat this over and over. Drive people. That's your job. Drive, 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 drive. Drive the traffic. Traffic is visitors, people to your capture page. All right? And there's many ways that we do that. But today we're just talking about placing these ads on the free websites. Anybody can do that if you can copy and paste. All right? So this is something you can implement today, guys. All right? So go check this out. So let's go look at the let's look at our products here. Let's take a look. We've got 4 products. All right? Now, when you look here, because somebody asked this on a call. I'm going to come back and do another video on that. I'm not even going to talk about it. That's something else I can talk about. But you decide which level, right? We got our 50. We got our 150. Get in where you fit in. We've got our 300 Pro. Okay? And that's $339. See, it says website, $39 admin. One time, there's no monthly fees with any of this. All right? And then you have your premium, highly recommended. Okay? This way you leave no money on the table and you get a plethora of great training. All right? So you just decide where you want to get started. They got this cool calculator here on this page under each product, as you can see here. So you can type in the number of sales you'd like to achieve, and it's going to give you a dollar amount. If you put 20 in, 20 of these $600 sales, $12,000. Okay, so play with the calculator and see what works for you. Now, the 2 that's most popular in demand, of course, is the Pro and the Premium. All right, because folks want to make full-time pay. That's what we're finding. The majority of the people. Now, there are some you want to make, instead of having a second job, you can do this. But most people like the potential of these 2. Okay? Because think about it. Number 1, let's talk about this. It takes the same amount of effort to promote this $50 program, right? So you got to get that in your head, okay? I used to think that long time ago as well. Oh, I'll just promote a low ticket. That was when I was brand new to online marketing. More people will cater to that. But guess what? It takes the same marketing effort for me to promote this low ticket as it does for me to promote the 600. It's the same. I'm going to post the same ad Okay, I'm going to do the same video. It's not going to be different. So get that in your head. People are going to buy what they want to buy. Okay, so we show you everything, right? And then you decide. But just understand that it's going to take the same marketing efforts. So anyway, 50. Okay, so $39 one-time admin fee for all the levels except this one. It's a $59 website fee for the $600 premium level. All right, guys. All right, and of course you're getting more here. So you got 200 ads plus 60 image ads. There's just so much more. Plus, if you wanted to create your own digital product, they will show you how to do that at this level right here. Okay, super affiliate. All right, so just wanted to show you guys that because a lot of people get in their mind, well, I'm not sure how to market it, what I'm supposed to do. We're going to give you all the steps. Don't even worry about that. But I just wanted to show you something that you could implement today. Okay? All right, and then I just want to shout out that we are at 6,500 members now. Thriving community. Shout out to the team, the community. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This thing is growing by leaps and bounds, guys. You get started with me and you purchase any of these digital products, I'm going to add you to our thriving community. Okay? So, no worries about that. You're going to get a welcome email from me. It's going to have the link for you to access your members area just like this, right? Get access to the product that you purchased, your digital product, and then I'm going to get you access to the thriving community. All right? This right here is going to be key for you, especially if you're brand new, because you're going to be able to connect with others like-minded just like you and I. All right, and you can see most of the people in the community are newbies. That's what I love about it. That's what gets me excited, because we can see people that have no idea about marketing online, anything about marketing. Most of them weren't even on social media, and they're able to take these simple strategies, implement them, and get results. And most of them have made major changes in their life with this program. All right, guys. So with that being said, go check this out. The link is in the description, right? www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, so go check it out. See what it's all about. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.